Toffee. Did you get yourself stuck? You got yourself stuck while you're being a bad girl, huh? Come on. You can get it. You can get it. You can get yourself free. Come on, girl. There you go. You still smell that steak that was in there, huh? She wanted her daddy's steak yesterday. Bless you. Today we are going to a car show, and the coffin bean is going to be there with some new monthly beverages. So that is what we're going to do, and we're probably gonna sweat our butts off because it's already 80 degrees out there. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at her! Oh my goodness, Toffee! She's like, give me your hand. I want to make you bleed. Look how cute she is. Oh, did I touch your butt? Oh, I touched your butt. She's like, don't touch my butt. She's so cute. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I don't know what she's going after. She hopped at something, so I think she may have found a bug. Hi. And the little menace to society is sleeping in the stroller. Because she's a baby. Oh, we got a bald cardinal out there. Looks like a Skeksis. god. Oh my god, it's hot. So I got 2 drinks. I got their tea, red dead's ice. Obviously ice, oh my god. It's a strawberry hibiscus tea. You got the murder hornet.
It's pistachio, espresso, shaken espresso.
I got the slipped on a peel, which is a banana, caramelized banana. I'll probably save that for tomorrow. Oh my god, so hot. But so many, I like the old cars. Toffee, we're back home.
It's just...
We're back home, Toffee. We saw some rooms. My favorite was that truck and then the pink car. Yeah. Do you like that biscotti? Yeah, you. I wouldn't have thought she would like that.
It's all about speed and pressure. Yeah, thank you for the nose boop. What you doing, sweetheart? Yeah. I'm in a good mood. Want the doggy? Leg up.